Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video I'm gonna talk about Clickfunnels affiliate marketing course. So if you are looking for Clickfunnels affiliate marketing course, then guys, this video is for you. In this video I'm gonna talk about Clickfunnels affiliate marketing course so that you can start doing Clickfunnels affiliate marketing, guys, promoting Clickfunnels stuff. Right? So guys, now here without any delay, let me tell you about Clickfunnels affiliate marketing course. So guys, here I would say if you are really serious guys about Clickfunnels affiliate marketing course, or you want to do Clickfunnels affiliate marketing, so guys, here I would say go and check out Clickfunnels affiliate bootcamp, guys. Clickfunnels affiliate bootcamp, guys, it's a free training, guys. It's a free training where I would say 15 super affiliates, including Russell Brunson, they have revealed their strategy, that what they will do to take their affiliate marketing business to the next level, guys. Right? Or in other words, I would say in this training you will learn exactly how to promote Clickfunnels, guys. So these 15 affiliates, or you can say super affiliates, they have revealed their strategy, guys, step by step. Right? So guys, I would highly recommend you go and check out Clickfunnels affiliate bootcamp, guys. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Yeah, you can see that, guys. So here I'm talking about this training, affiliate bootcamp, guys. Right? So go and register for this training, guys, right, by submitting your email address. So I'm showing you how to do that. And I'm sorry for birds birds voice, guys, right, because there is you can say tree. So you can see that, guys, right? So this is the training. By the way, this is the upsell, guys. So you don't need to go with this upsell. Yes, if you want more depth knowledge on how to start your online business, then yes, you can join One Funnel Level Challenge training, right? But if you don't want, then yes, simply go and watch the training of affiliate bootcamp, guys. Clickfunnels affiliate bootcamp, guys. You will get to know the right way to do affiliate marketing. And good thing is that these super affiliates are 6 to 7 figure earner, guys. So whatever you are going to learn, that will be, you can say, scientifically proven to work, guys. The strategy that they are going to reveal, that is working for them. So if you apply their strategy, that will work for you, guys. Right? So guys, I would highly recommend you guys go and join Clickfunnels affiliate bootcamp, guys. It's a free training, guys. This is a great thing, guys. You don't have to pay anything. And guys, here I would say people don't pay attention when they get something for free. So guys, don't be that guy, guys. Don't be that guy. Personally, if you ask me, I would say, why Russell Brunson is giving this training for free? He must charge for that. He must charge for that. But he is giving this training for free, guys, so that you can be successful in affiliate marketing, so that you can get to know how to promote Clickfunnels in a right way. So guys, you can say, I would say, don't take it for granted, guys, right? Because it's free. Don't take it for granted. Just go and watch this training, and after watching this training, go and implement, guys. This is what matters, guys. If you don't implement, then how you will get the results? As you know, knowledge is power, but implementation of knowledge is transformation. So how you will get the transformation? When you implement, right? So yes, go through this training and implement, whatever you learn from this training, guys, right? So this is all about ClickFunnels affiliate marketing course, guys. I know that there are, you can say, so many courses that are available in the market where you're gonna learn about ClickFunnels affiliate marketing, but guys, you are getting this course for free, guys. Why to pay for that when you are getting everything for free? Why to pay for that? But yes, if you want to check out paid trainings, then yes, there are courses where you're gonna learn about ClickFunnels affiliate marketing. I just forget the name of that course, but it's a training by Greg Jeffries, right? So he has special training related to affiliate marketing. So if you want to go with that, you can check out Greg Jeffries' ClickFunnels affiliate marketing course, guys. But before going for paid ClickFunnels affiliate marketing course, I would say just go with this training, guys. ClickFunnels affiliate bootcamp, it's free, right? So yes, guys, this is all about for today, right? And yes, if you have any questions, you can ask your question. I will try my level best to answer you, guys, right? So yes, guys, and yes, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please go and subscribe to my channel, and down below there is also bell notification button. Go and hit that bell notification button so that you can get the notification about my upcoming training that are related to affiliate marketing. If you want to know more about affiliate marketing, then go and hit bell notification button, guys, right? So yes, guys, this is all about for today, right? So thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Have a nice day. Bye bye, guys.